Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to silence message sounds on WhatsApp web, especially with the exciting new updates. If you often find yourself distracted by notification sounds while working or browsing, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. Simply launch your preferred web browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. Make sure you're logged into your account by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the upper left corner of the screen. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on it to access additional options for customizing your WhatsApp experience. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Notifications. Here, you'll find various settings related to how you receive notifications on WhatsApp web. Finally, to silence the message sounds, you'll want to disable the message notifications. Simply toggle off the option for Message Notifications. This will help you enjoy a quieter workspace without the constant pinging from incoming messages. And that's it. You've successfully silenced message sounds on WhatsApp web. Now you can focus on what really matters without those constant interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.